At zipBoard, we recognize the significance of smooth collaboration between internal and external stakeholders and effective digital asset review procedures. That's why we are excited to introduce Text Annotation. Simply click on the Text Annotation tool, write your desired text, and click Add. You can then drag and reposition the annotation using the cross sign. We offer various formatting options like bold, italics, underline, and different font sizes. You can even customize the text color to your liking. With the expanded font list, you can choose different styles such as Arial or Calibri and apply strike-through or highlighting for edits. Once you're satisfied, save your edits and the annotation will remain in place. Currently, text annotations cannot be converted into tasks like other annotations and comments. However, we are working on that feature and it will be rolled out soon.